Hey guys, today I received this TOKIT rice cooker for reviewing purposes, and I think that it's really nice because it has 9 different functions for easy cooking and cooking many different styles of foods. And I think that's great because it doesn't take that much space. You can use it on different options to cook, and you can set it up for a 24-hour timer and warmer so you can enjoy a nice meal anytime. You get the operation manual with all important information about it, all the steps on how to use it, take care of it, and everything that you need to know before using it, okay? Then we have this little spoon so we can use it once that the rice is ready. We have the power cord. Okay, this one goes into our rice cooker and the electrical outlet so that way we can use it. We get a measuring cup, which is the one that we're going to use so we can measure the rice and the water that we're going to use. And now the proper main unit. As you can see, it's really small. It has a nice and simple design. You just have the opening button on the main body, okay? And as you can see, it's nice. It has 4 stands so it doesn't scratch your surface. We're going to connect the power cord onto the port that it's on the back. And when we're going to use it, we just have to plug it into the electrical outlet and select the mode that we're going to use and select the temp. Okay, as I've said, to cut the button so we can open it up. This is how it looks on the inside. It's perfect to cook rice or any kind of grain. This is where we're going to place the rice. It comes measured and we can take it out so we can clean it. And I think that it's really nice. It's nonstick, so you don't have to worry about it. When you're ready to use it, you just have to select one of the 9 functions, set the timer, and that's it. You can just press it start and leave it there. So to test it out, we're going to make some white rice, okay? We're going to take the measuring cup and fill it up to the brim with the rice that we are going to choose and throw it into the rice cooker just to get another full cup of water the way up to the brim again, and also throw it in. Select the mode that we're going to use, which is the preset of the white rice, and leave it for the preset amount and just start it up, and we're going to leave it over the counter 1 hour, okay? Once that it stops, it will be heating for an amount of time that you leave it there, and it's ready. You can just sever it up, take it with you, or just leave it there so it heats evenly and just leaving it there until you're gonna eat, which I think that it's really nice having that option to not eat just immediately while your rice is out. And to serve it up, I'm gonna use the spoon that comes included, okay? Which I think that it's great. It's a really complete set. It's really easy to use, and I think that it's perfect to have it in your house in case that you want to make a quick meal or have them ready. And overall, I think that it's really nice and I would really recommend it.